So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a bow inspired by Bestie Bow. And this will have a touch of Ralph Lauren. Come on with me, guys. So this ribbon was definitely budget friendly. Guys, I bought both these rolls at Dollar General for $1. So this was an inexpensive ribbon. And once again, with that touch of Ralph Lauren, I am loving it for this time of the year. Now you can go as long as you want with the ribbon, so long as you don't need or want to use the tails that long. I love the tails, but for this particular ribbon, we're not going to go too long. So I'm going to say I'm going to cut these ribbons at 18 inches. Now, once I cut the ribbons, I also did not want to overdo it. So we did 3 of the gold and 3 of the plaid. We're going to go ahead and butterfly all of these. Now, butterflying just really means taking the ends, folding them over, and then go ahead and cut at an angle, leaving you a butterfly end. And they're so beautiful to do it this way. So I'm going to be doing this to both ends, and I'll be right back. Now, if you forgot your floral wire, just like I did, you can use a chenille stem. And you know what? We're going to be using the gold one. So I think I also purchased that at Dollar General. And so it won't make a difference. So next time I go to the store, I'll remember the floral wire, guys. But I don't think we need it. Now we have 6 ribbons and we're going to be alternating them. So you're going to fold over the ribbon and you're going to fold over maybe 6 inches, leaving the rest of the tail. So you're going to pinch at 6 inches and hold it in between your fingers, alternating the ribbon, as I said. Fold over 6 inches and fold a pinch, and then go ahead and place it on top of that gold ribbon that you see me doing here. We're going to do that with all 6 pieces. So now we're going to go ahead and take that chenille stem in the gold, which really is a perfect color. And then we're going to go ahead and twist that and roll it around until we get that, pretty tight without actually breaking that chenille stem. And like I said, I'm not making this bow that big, and I didn't need it to be so full. So, it just really depends on what you're using it for. So I just wanted to show you how to make this bow. So if you want this fluffier or more grand or bigger, then you want to cut some more ribbon. You might even want to, I just incorporated 2 styles of ribbons here, but you can go ahead and go with even 3 styles or 4. Okay, depending on, again, how big you want the ribbon. So now what we're going to do, once that chenille stem is holding this together, we want to kind of break up those tails so that we can spread those tails out. Okay, once we do that with the tails, then we're going to start fluffing out the ribbon. Remember, you want to pull 1 style ribbon one direction and 1 style of the ribbon the other direction. You'll see what I mean. Okay, so we're done with the tail. So now we're moving on to the actual poofs. And remember, you want to pull the plaid one way and the gold the other way. So you don't want two of the same going in the same direction. And then you kind of just manipulate, and this is why the wire is very important, because you don't want anything to like collapse on you as you're trying to poof this out. And this is an absolutely beautiful ribbon. Like I said, it has that touch of Ralph Lauren, perfect for this holiday season. So I think this ribbon came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Have an amazing day, guys. God bless you. Amen.